We're all marching forwards on common goals. Marc Stutter from the Hutton Institute in Aberdeen and Dundee in the northeast of Scotland. So I work there as a soil and water scientist, so mostly on chemistry and ecological condition of rivers, mostly flowing waters. So we're looking at a range of problems to do with diffuse pollution and point source pollution. Myself, I'm very interested in nutrients, so nutrient cycling, especially phosphorus and carbon, and trying to make links between those and the processes and how we manage them. In Scotland, we're very blessed with good water quality on the whole. There's been an understanding that some of our rivers have degraded physical condition, so there's like many farmed areas, they've been straightened and they don't perhaps have their natural course and form anymore, or they're a bit isolated there. They've been deepened and their banks and floodplains are sort of isolated from the river channel itself. So there's some of that to sort of work towards reconnecting, while still looking at making effective drainage for the agricultural land. But on the whole, the chemical quality and ecological quality is quite good, because we're not, in many parts of Scotland, we're not very intensively managed. We've got farm systems and we've got the usual sort of water quality problems, so some eutrophication, some microbial contaminants, and some new sort of nasties that we're learning about that are coming from various places, developments and effluents and things like that. But on the whole, we have very good water quality, and we have quite a good range of programs working with farmers in real life catchments, and trialling some stuff back on the Institute farms where we develop some of the techniques. So I'm here at this year's Agricultural Catchments Conference, the Catchment Science 2019, and I last came to the first one, so I'm very pleased to be hearing the range of work that's going on. It's all very relevant to the type of stuff that I do. People are talking about very much the same things in terms of issues. It's great that we're all marching forwards on common goals, so the nutrients are still an issue. Phosphorus, nitrogen, the microbial contamination, the structure and form of the landscape in terms of how we organise it to farm, and how we sort of use rivers as a sort of service to move away water and contaminants, and we don't perhaps yet treat them for their full ecological value and the services that come with that. So we're all working towards very common goals on that, which is nice to see.